friends, this is Shim2 Vlogger back to you once again with the new story to tell. Story of my greatest trek so far, trek to Fuktal Monastery with the OG squad. So let's get started.
आज हम जा रहे हैं फुक्तल मोनेस्ट्री फुर्तीले जोशीले नौजवान हाउस द जोश हाई फाई तो ट्रैक की शुरुआत में ही एक नौजवानी थोड़ा रो पड़ी है।
अरे हम नहीं रो पड़े भाई, जाना है। हमने बोला साथ चलते हैं।
अच्छा ये बात है। मुझे तो लगा कि अभी से हवा टाइट हो चुकी है।
So friends, this trekking and visit to Fuktal Monastery is part of our Zanskar trip. In fact, it is most exciting part and adventurous part of it. Guys, when it comes to Ladakh, it is more than our eyes can meet and heart can hold. Each season is a different color and it appears to be entirely different place altogether. Forget about season. It's one place during the day and another by the night. Talking about Union Territories of Ladakh, from the tourism point of view, it is divided in two parts. Most of us knows the one which is classic Ladakh around Nubra Valley and two celestial lakes, Pangong and Somoridi. But the other one is not known to the many. The offbeat Ladakh in Zanskar Valley, which is administratively part of Kargil, 250 kilometers away from Kargil, as well as almost similar distance from Leh. So these two are major town of Ladakh. So we'll talk about complete Zanskar journey in our next episode. So guys, stay tuned for that. But let's go to the Fuktal Monastery today. So only way to reach to the Fuktal Monastery is on your feet. There is a village called Khangsar nearby this monastery, and you can reach up to this village by the car, which is actually a starting point of the trek. So guys, we took a stay in a village nearby called Pune. It was a nice tent stay. People sometimes plan this trek from Padum, which is capital city of Zanskar, but it's not advisable because due to altitude as high as 15,000 feet, it makes the complete trek of almost 2 hours each way. That means you will need minimum 5 hours to complete the trek, pay your visit and return. Additionally, weather here is extreme, be it summer or winter, either it's too hot or freakishly cold. Given altitude of 15,000 feet, it's extremely difficult to walk continuously. You'll have to stop a lot to catch your breath. Plus, at many places there is steep trekking on rocky and dusty pavement. Given all this, and company fitted stock lungs, we will never able to complete this trek within time claimed by local, which is 2 to 3 hours.
दिन ने हाथ थाम कर इधर बिठा लिया, रात ने इशारे से उधर बुला लिया, सुबह से शाम से मेरा दोस्ताना मुसाफिर ना घर है ना ठिकाना, मुझे चलते जाना है, बस चलते जाना। मुसाफिर हूँ यारो, ना घर है ना ठिकाना, मुझे चलते जाना है, बस चलते जाना। एक रास्ता है जिंदगी जो थम गए तो कुछ नहीं। एक रास्ता है जिंदगी जो थम गए तो कुछ नहीं। ये कदम किसी मुकाम पे जो जम गए तो कुछ नहीं। एक रास्ता है
Whoever. Hey guys, let's go guys. It's not that far and it's very amazing. Dun, 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 dun. है जिंदगी भाई आना આગળનો વ્યૂ લો ફરીને
मेरी बाहों इन राहों तू छोड़ के ना जा, तू वापस आ जा।
वो हुस्न के जलवे हो या इश्क की आवाजें, आजाद परिंदों की रुकती नहीं परवाजें। जाते हुए कदमों से, आते हुए कदमों से भरी रहेगी राह गुजर। जो हम गए तो कुछ नहीं। एक रास्ता है जिंदगी जो थम गए तो कुछ नहीं। ये कदम किसी मुकाम पे जो जम गए तो कुछ नहीं।
Hey guys, please do come visit this monastery and sanskar. See you.
We are on the bridge over the Purne river. We are going to Phuktal Monastery. So almost after 2.5 kilometers of difficult track, now we are able to see the gate of the monastery. So we'll take you there. Stay tuned. Let's go.
So guys, little bit about Phuktal Monastery. Phuktal Monastery is also known as Phuktal Monastery or Phukthar Monastery. Is a hidden gem nestled in remote Lungnak Valley of southeastern Zanskar. Perched on a cliffside above the Sarap River, the monastery appears to emerge organically from the mountain, resembling a giant honeycomb.
So finally, after a trek of almost 3 kilometers, in scorching sunlight but greatly cool breeze, we are here at the entrance of Phuktal Monastery. So it was real taste of our lungs, I would say, and also our persistence. So let's go to the monastery. I will just take you there.
So this unique structure has been place of meditation and retreat for more than 2500 years. The monastery is located approximately 52 kilometers of southeast Padum, the nearest major town, and that is accessible by the Nimu Padum Dacha road, which has been built recently. Phuktal Monastery holds significant cultural and spiritual importance in the region. It belongs to the Gelug school of Tibetan Buddhism and has been a center for learning, meditation and teaching since its establishment in the early 15th century. The monastery has been home to many renowned scholars and teachers, making it revered site for spiritual retreat and scholarly pursuit. Life in Phuktal Monastery is deeply rooted in Buddhist traditions, and communal living. Approximately 70 monks reside here, dedicating their lives to meditation, study, and teaching.
It's amazing, but look like it's gonna be a bit difficult. But let's see.
चलती रहे जिंदगी तुम भी चलो हम भी चले चलती रहे जिंदगी तुम भी चलो हम भी चले चलती रहे जिंदगी ना ज़मी मंजिल ना आसमां जिंदगी है
ये हमारे ब्लैक कैट कमांडो
तुम भी चलो
बड़ी तेजी से आगे बढ़ते हुए
हम भी चले चलती रहे जिंदगी पीछे देखे ना कभी मुड़ के राहों में हो झूमे मेरा दिल तुम्हें लेके बाहों में हो धड़कनों की जुबान नित कहे दास्तां प्यार की झिलमिल छाँव में पलती रहे जिंदगी तुम भी चलो हम भी चले चलती रहे जिंदगी बहते चले हम मस्ती के धारों में हो गूंजे यही धुन सदा दिल के तारों में हो अब रुके ना कहीं प्यार का कारवां नित नई रुत के रंग में ढलती रहे जिंदगी तुम भी चलो हम भी चले चलती रहे जिंदगी ना ज़मी मंजिल ना आसमां जिंदगी है जिंदगी तुम भी चलो हम भी चले चलती रहे जिंदगी
Reaching Phuktal Monastery is an adventure itself. Until recently, it was one of the few monasteries in Ladakh that could only be accessed by foot. The trek to the monastery is challenging, requiring almost a half a day long walk from the end of the road at village Khangsar. The journey involves navigating rugged terrain and crossing of the Sarap River, making it a test of endurance and determination. However, the construction of the Nimu-Padum Darcha road has reduced the track to hardly 3-4 hours of walk from Pune village. Despite the challenges, the track offers stunning view of Sanskar Valley and a glimpse into the simple yet profound life of Sanskari people and their monks. Visiting Fuktal Monastery is more than just a trek. It's a journey into the heart of Sanskar, spiritual and cultural heritage. The monastery's unique geography, rich cultural significance, and serene life of its monks offer a profound experience for any
Kitchen
traveler. While the trek may be challenging and exhaustive at the same time, but believe me, friends, every second spent here in this divine place is worth memory of lifetime.